What if you could make $100 a day, every single day, even while you sleep? That's $3,000 a month in passive income. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 proven ways to do it, step by step, no scams, no hype, and perfect even if you're starting from zero. Stick around, because I'll also show you the system I personally use to automate my earnings. Now, let's be real. $100 a day in passive income doesn't happen overnight. You'll build it gradually by stacking multiple income streams that keep working once you set them up. Think of it like planting seeds. The more you plant, the more you harvest later. The first way to earn real passive income is through dividend stocks. These are companies that share a portion of their profits with investors, every quarter or even monthly. For example, if you invest in reliable names like Coca-Cola, Realty Income, or Procter & Gamble, your money literally starts paying you. Start small. Even $100 in a brokerage account can earn dividends. Reinvest them, and your income compounds month after month. The second way is affiliate marketing, promoting products or services you use and trust. When someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission. You can start by recommending books, tools, or investing apps. The best part? You don't need inventory, customer service, or a big audience. Just honesty and value. Third, digital products. These are things you create once and sell forever. Ebooks, templates, or mini courses. You can make a Notion budget tracker, a Canva resume template, or a simple ebook about something you know well. List it on Gumroad or Etsy, and each sale adds to your daily $100 goal. No ongoing effort needed. Number 4. REITs, or real estate investment trusts. They let you invest in real estate portfolios that pay you dividends without buying a property. Think of it as owning part of an apartment complex, without tenants, repairs, or stress. Many REITs pay monthly, so you get recurring income without the hassle of being a landlord. Finally, the automated online business. This could be a YouTube channel, a blog, or a print-on-demand store. You create content, attract traffic, and monetize with ads, affiliate links, or product sales. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and InVideo to scale faster. Once it's running, this can become your biggest passive income machine. Quick reminder, if you're getting value from this, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps free financial education coming your way. Now, imagine stacking all 5 of these streams: $20 from dividends, $30 from affiliate links, $25 from digital products, $25 from rights or side hustles. Together, that's $100 a day while you sleep. It's not fast, but it's real. If you're ready to start your passive income journey, check the links in the description below for my recommended tools and brokerages. And don't forget to subscribe, because your $100 day starts with one step, and that step is today.